How to clear WhatsApp stories on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can clear WhatsApp stories or how we can make some space in WhatsApp on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Here, WhatsApp has a built-in storage manager feature that will help you clear some unnecessary files easily, and here's how you can do it. First of all, open up WhatsApp in your device. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right and here tap on Settings. Under Settings, scroll down a bit and head towards Storage and Data. Here at the top is an option for Manage Storage, tap on it. After that, here on this page, you will see your available space and the space that you have used. Here now you can scroll down and you will see larger files, which is larger than 5 MB, your frequently forwarded files, or your individual chats or group sorted by size. So from here you can tap any on the chat or group or select the files that you want to delete, and also you can clear WhatsApp cache. For that, open up Settings in your device. Tap on the apps. Tap on See All Apps, tap on the search icon at the top right, and here you can search for WhatsApp. Scroll down a bit, head towards Storage and Cache, and here tap on Clear Cache. This will remove some of the temporary files but not your messages or media. So in this way also it will help you free some space on WhatsApp. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.